Well, the fridge finally arrived. It's slightly shorter than I thought. I'm 6'3", by the way, so that's how tall it is. Plus, of course, the little bit at the bottom. But hey, I'm going to unbox this, and this shouldn't be so difficult. The box actually opens up, and my roof isn't high enough, so I'm just going to cut through it or tear through the side. So yeah, while I tear through the side there, I'm just talk quickly about this beautiful fridge. It's a 50-50 distribution, so it's 50% fridge, 50% freezer, and it's freestanding, and it's quite compact, as I can perceive already by the measurements, so that should fit nicely near where it is right now, just maybe a little bit to one side. I had to basically use a shoehorn made of plastic at some point because there was quite a fair bit of static electricity that gave me a bit of a zap. So I basically had to use the shoehorn and a pair of slippers for safety reasons. Anyway, so the packaging is actually quite nicely done. The fridge itself is not too heavy, it's relatively light. So I was able to unbox this myself and basically set it up everything myself. The legs need to be adjusted to keep them flat on the surface, but it's easily adjusted because there's kind of a screw stand that adjusts for vertical height, and there are 4 of them, so it's easy to get a nice flat balance. I did that before doing anything else. This is well packaged for transportation, so you're gonna have to remove all the plastic and tapes and little fluffy styrofoam type bits that have been put there to secure the glass bits. Now the fridge itself, it comes with an instruction manual which is inside the fridge, as well as some accessories like the drain hole plug and cleaner. That's all in a bag that is inside the cooling part of the fridge, so that's awesome. And it has a standard plug that goes into the wall. Because it's a standalone, of course, it's best to have it near some socket, which I happen to have, so that's awesome. The door can open either from the right or from the left. This is hinged on the right, so it swings open from the left, but this can be changed to the left if you want. So that I like that flexibility. There is a QR code to download some stuff from the internet or on your app or whatever for more content, it says, but I'll be looking at that later. Once you turn it on, there's a very bright LED at the top part of the fridge, not in the freezer but the fridge, so that lights it up. The freezer doesn't light up. There's no LEDs in the freezer as far as I can see, but the fridge does have a very bright LED, and it also has these looks like a digital display, but it's just a preset little LCD screen that gives you the temperature and the on and off, etc.